In this video, we're going to define adjacent angles and give a couple of examples of what they look like and versus what they don't look like. Adjacent angles are two angles that share a common vertex and a common side, but have no common interior points. All right, so in this first drawing right here, we have angles 5 and angle 6. All right, now if we take a look at this, all right, they have a common side. So that right there is the common side between angle 5 and angle 6. All right, they also have a common vertex right there. Okay, so our common side is here, and the common vertex is right there. So definitely fits our definition. All right, so then that means that angle 5 and angle 6 are adjacent angles. Okay, so that's one example of what adjacent angles look like. All right, now in the second example over here, all right, clearly these two angles are not even touching, so they have nothing in common. They do not have a common side. They do not have a common vertex, in which case we would say that angle 7 and angle 8 are non-adjacent angles. So angle 7 and angle 8 are non-adjacent angles. All right, so definitely just a short, quick video here just to define adjacent angles, kind of give you a picture of what they do look like versus a picture of what they do not look like. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so that they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.